If your cat's curiosity is off the charts, you're in for a treat. Grab your popcorn and let's dive into The Great Cat Caper. Once upon a sunny afternoon, a fluffy tabby named Whiskers discovered a mysterious cardboard box on the porch. Curiosity piqued, he cautiously approached it, nose twitching. As he peeked inside, a sudden rustle startled him. Out popped a playful kitten named Mittens, ready for adventure. They exchanged a surprised look before bursting into a game of chase, zooming around the yard. Mittens led Whiskers to the garden, where they both leapt into a pile of leaves, sending them flying everywhere. The two cats tumbled and rolled, completely engulfed in their joyful antics. As the sun began to set, Whiskers and Mittens, tired from their escapade, curled up together in the box, purring softly. The adventure had forged an unbreakable bond, proving that sometimes the best surprises come in small packages.